Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. You know, I've made my fair share of grilled cheese sandwiches in the past, and they were always good, but I thought, you know, how can we spice this up? So I got looking around, I got thinking, and we made this, the perfect inside-out grilled cheese sandwich. Gooey in the center, crispy on the outside, a layer of cheese on the inside, another layer of cheese on the outside. Makes it just incredible. You're going to want to make these for sure, so let's get started. I'm going to start by adding a good knob of butter to a preheated pan. And this is kind of medium-low heat. And we'll just let this melt down. Add in some sharp cheddar cheese. And it should be sharp cheddar. Now this is grated cheese, but you can use cheese slices as well if you like. And you want this about the size of 2 slices of bread. Add in my white bread. You can use a bread of your choice, but really it should be white. Alright, let's put some cheese over the top, a generous application of one side of the bread. Now some people put the bread in first and then put the cheese over the top, but I find it's really hard to flip if you do that. Sometimes the cheese flies out. This way it adheres to the bread really nicely. And you want this to cook until the cheese on the bottom just becomes crusty. Okay, now that it's crusty, and this is about a couple of minutes, I'm just going to flip one side over to the other, and just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look incredible? So we're just going to let this cook for a few minutes. All right, let's give it a flip over to the other side after a minute or two. Doesn't this look good? You can just see the crustiness. We're going to kill the heat and plate this up, and you're good to go. And in terms of crunchiness, guys, I don't know if you can hear this, but just incredible and smells incredible. I can't stop doing this. And there you have it, guys, our inside-out grilled cheese sandwich. Perfect lunch or snack. Okay, let's cut into this and see what we've got. Just look at that ooey gooey goodness. The perfect inside-out grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. So good. I don't know if you heard that crunch, but it's crunchy on the outside, so good on the inside. You know, the texture is great. That sharp cheddar is just beautiful. Gotta make this, guys. Just have to. So you can find all the details for the sandwich over at cookandshare.com. We got all kinds of great sandwich, snack recipes over there. Any kind of recipe you could possibly imagine. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.